Hello children, welcome to our maths class. As our lesson shapes is going on. In that we have learnt about 3D shape, 2D shape, line concept. Today we are going to see the subunit pattern. As we have completed this lesson in evaluation 3 also, today we will see the review of this and we will continue with the textual pages. Let's see review of the pattern.
Patterns are created when figures, shapes, objects, etc. are arranged in a particular order and repeated over and over again. We all must have seen the different kinds of patterns in our daily life, like on clothes, bed sheets, sari borders, garlands, etc. Look at the bracelet. We have a square, circle, triangle. Square, circle, triangle, and so on. This is called a pattern as it is repeating itself. Look, we got the pattern. Now let us try making few more patterns. Look at this pack of flashcards. Each card has a pattern of dots. Look, we have arranged few cards according to the increasing order of the dots. Starting with a card with 2 dots, 3 dots, 4 dots, 5 dots. Kids, let us follow the same pattern and find out the next 4 cards. Yes, correct. The next card will be with 6 dots, then 7 dots, then 8 dots, and lastly 9 dots. Kids, isn't it interesting? We can find pattern in letters too. Now, observe the given pattern and write the next 4 letters. We can see that letter A and letter B are placed alternatively. This becomes our pattern. So, the next letter will be letter A, then letter B. Then again letter A, and lastly letter B. Did you know we find patterns in numbers also? Let's see how. Starting with number 2, when we skip count by 2's, we get 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and 16. Now, observe the given pattern and write the next 4 numbers. Look at the pattern carefully. What can you observe? Correct. On subtracting 4 from 40, we get 36, which is the next number. Now, again on subtracting 4 from 36, we get the next number, that is 32. We see that in each step, the numbers are reducing by 4. Hence, by using this number pattern, we can find the next 4 numbers. So, we get the 4 numbers as 28, 24, 20, and 16.
In evaluation 3, we have learnt the pattern lesson. In that, we have learnt about the definition of the pattern. Anything that repeats itself regularly is called a pattern. Either it will be the number, it will be the alphabet or shape. Now let's see the different types of the pattern. An object which repeats itself in a pattern is called unit. Here, repeated pattern, a pattern where the unit repeats itself is called a repetitive pattern. Here you can see 1, 2, 3. 3 triangles are there. Again 1, 2, 3. 3 triangles. Here again it is repeating itself. 1, 2, 3 triangles are here. Means it is a repetitive pattern. Then pattern where the unit grows equally each time is called a growing pattern. Okay, you can see here the triangle is getting added and thus forming a growing pattern. Here is the 1, here is the 2, here is the 3. That's why it is a growing pattern. It is repeated, it is adding here. Let's see the textual pages. Observe and extend the following pattern. Here the pattern of shapes are given. We have to extend it. Here you can see 4 circle, then this, then 4 circle. Then what will come here? This is also the repetitive pattern. Here what will come? Like this. Okay. This is the repetitive pattern. Then complete the other shapes pattern. Okay. Now next question. Continue coloring the boxes according to the pattern given in row 1. Here is the row 1. Red, blue, green, red. Then what will come? Now here it will come blue, green, red. Then after red, blue, green, red. Like this, complete the pattern. After red, now here blue, green, red. Now after red, blue, blue, green, red. Now after red, blue, green, red. Then here blue is given. And what will come here? After blue, green, red, blue. Then after blue, green, then red. Okay. Like this you have to complete all this pattern. Now question is given, which rows have the similar pattern? First complete this, then we will solve it. Here I have completed the pattern. B for blue, G for green, R for red. Okay children. Now you have to do the coloring of this. Just I have written here the alphabets for the color, initial of the color, but you have to do the coloring like this. Okay. Now first question is, which row has the similar pattern? Row 4 is having similar pattern with the row 1. Here what will come? Row 4, row 1 having similar pattern, row 1 having similar pattern with the row 4. Okay. Now next one, row 2. Here you can see blue, here blue, and row 4. Row 2, second row and the 5th row. These two are having similar pattern. Here you can see blue, blue, green, green, red, red, like this. Okay. Then row 2 and row 5 is having similar pattern. Row 2 and row 5 is having the similar pattern. Now here, when will this pattern repeat itself? Here the pattern is repeating itself in after every third row. Okay. Here we can see here red, then it is repeating here in the row 4. Here also red. Okay. Then after first, second, third. after third row it is repeating itself. Okay, then again this blue and this blue is repeating itself 1, 2, 3 after third row. Okay, when will this pattern repeat itself? You can write here after each third row. This is for the homework. Now let's see the next one. Color the following squares in different ways to make various patterns. Let's do. Here I have given some hints to you. This is the I Explore children. You have to do by your own. You can do here by coloring in the different patterns. Okay. Varun and his friends arrange matchsticks in a manner that results in a wrong addition statement. Set it correct by removing or replacing some sticks. Use sticks or your pencil to solve this puzzle. Okay. Here it is given with the help of matchstick. They have prepared here a addition statement. Here 8 plus 4 is equal to 4. Here it is the wrong addition statement. Then we have to remove this matchstick. Then it will become, now if you are removing this matchstick, it will become 0. 0 plus 4 is equal to 4. That is the correct statement. Solve more such puzzles in the class on the interactive board. Let's solve it. Here I have prepared some statement like 5 with the help of matchstick. 5 plus 4 is equal to, here it is, what it is showing here, 8. If you are removing this matchstick from here, then it will become the correct statement. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. You also make the statement like this. Okay. Hope children you have understood the concept of pattern. We will meet in our next session. Till that time, have a nice day. Goodbye. Thank you. Row 4 is having similar pattern with the row 1. Here what will come? Row 4, row 1 having similar pattern, row 1 having similar pattern with the row 4. Okay. Now next one, row 2. Here you can see blue, here blue, and row 4. Row 2, second row and the fifth row. These two are having similar pattern. Here you can see blue, blue, green, green, red, red, like this. Okay. Then row 2 and row 5 is having similar pattern. Row 2 and row 5 is having the similar pattern. Now here, when will this pattern repeat itself? Here the pattern is repeating itself in after every third row. Okay. Here we can see here red, then it is repeating here in the row 4. Here also red. Okay. Then after first, second, third. After third row it is repeating itself. Okay. Then again this blue and this blue is repeating itself 1, 2, 3 after third row. Okay. When will this pattern repeat itself? You can write here after each third row.